Next, we will demonstrate the fly stitch. We can see the finished effect. It evolved from the fly stitch we just learned. Let's demonstrate the method. Using 4 strands of floss, color number 7. First, bring the needle through at leaf top. Make a small stitch forward. Bring the needle through next to previous spot. Bring the needle down at the same spot. Keep the floss loose. Leave a loop on the fabric. Then follow the fly stitch method. Bring the needle through from middle. Pull the floss tight. Bring the needle down along the outer edge. Let's demonstrate it once more. Bring the needle through next to last stitch. Then bring the needle down on other side. Bring the needle through at center next to last stitch. Pull upward. Adjust stitch spacing with the needle. Pull the floss tighter here. This makes the lines more compact. Looks better this way. Bring the needle down along the outer edge. Let me show once more. Bring the needle through next to last stitch. Bring the needle down on other side. Then bring the needle through at center. Pull upward. Make sure to pull tight here. Bring the needle down along the edge. We repeat the previous steps. Complete the remaining pattern. Keep each stitch close to the previous one. Leave no gaps. Follow the pattern outline for each stitch. This creates the leaf shape. Bring the needle down here for the last stitch. Bring the needle through at the lower line end. Pull upward. Bring the needle down at the last leaf gap. Let it form the small leaf stem. The fly stitch pattern is now complete. Let's take a look at the finished embroidery.